Just a sample. Dogs are barking out there because they're being mentally disturbed like I am by the excessive productions around me. They turned the sound down as soon as I turned this on. It was louder, I'm pretty sure, but I'm so mentally disturbed I can hardly tell the difference. But these productions, these work productions go on for year after year, every day. Now, the androids will have explanations for this, but it's all just changing the reality because it's about human extinction and human energy and human mind control. How else could it not be? But you have to experience it, but don't forget they do it one by one. So they take you, if you're a human being, isolate you and take you down one by one so that no one notices. And I'm just a pathetical example of that. I have one in the recording when they turn it down as soon as I start to record.